Okay, we have a Kalamazoo tilt frame vertical bandsaw, model VG450L, serial number 07-85006. This machine was new in 2007, and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has power tilt. You can see it tilting to the left. Goes 30 degrees all the way each direction. Yep, there you go. All right. Machine has, right now he's running the blade. Blade's very quiet, it's variable, up to 400 feet per minute. The blade goes up to 1.25 inches width capacity. 0.042 gauge. It feeds through the material and goes back. We can do that again. You have a 17.7 inch round capacity at the 90. There's your vise. The vise opens and closes. And hey, it's 3 horsepower main motor, 1 horsepower hydraulic. Thank you for watching our video.